This is Victoria Kundongam. I'm the principal of this nursing school, namely RK School of Nursing, which is situated in Naini, Prayagraj. Today I would like to say something about this nursing school, which has been established in 2013, and I have been here from the last since 10 years, working as a principal, come nursing tutor. So I would like to say today that all the aspirants who have come here to take admission in this nursing course, either for GNM or LM, it's a nice college and a beautiful college with lots of expectations, where the faculties are very hardworking and the management also support us for all the students to become a wonderful nurse and a beautiful nurse in the future. So today I would like to say that this college which I have joined is a renowned institution and a prestigious institution which is situated in this beautiful city of Naini, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, and it provides immense pleasure for me also, and feel honored and privileged and thankful and faithful to be a part of this institution. And I can say that so many of the nursing students from since 10 years have been moved out from this portal of nursing, and they have been in a high position, whether in the government sector or in the private sector. Some are also moving in abroad in this 10 years, and they are in a good position, and they are serving the country as well as in abroad also. So I would like to say that this is a good opportunity for all the students who have passed out the intermediate. They can choose this noble profession to become a nurse in the future and serve his or her mother. Thank you.
नमस्कार द्विवेदी, एडमिन आरके स्कूल ऑफ नर्सिंग, और मेरा ये संस्थान सन 2013 से नर्सिंग के क्षेत्र में इलाहाबाद का एक अग्रणी संस्थान है। और हमारे यहाँ से निकले हुए स्टूडेंट, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट मेडिकल गवर्नमेंट जॉब में और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट पब्लिक सेक्टर में काम कर रहे हैं। और हमारा संस्थान प्रयागराज में टॉप मोस्ट संस्थानों में एक है। और अगर आप नर्सिंग के क्षेत्र में अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं तो इससे अच्छा बेहतर विकल्प आपको और कहीं नहीं मिल सकता। हमारे यहाँ जो ट्यूटर फैकल्टी है वो बेहतरीन है, क्वालिफाइड है, और हमारे यहाँ लैब, आधुनिक लैब की भी व्यवस्था है। कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन भी हम लोग देते हैं साथ में। तो इस तरह का संस्थान आपको बिरले ही मिलेगा। धन्यवाद।
Myself Atal Bharadwaj. I am nursing student of GNM first year. My batch is 2023 to 2024. When I came as fresher, I feel very nervous in the new environment, but gradually I feel better because I found this place very supportive and it is ragging free. All the staff and my seniors very helpful. Here we get all the good facilities, lecture, practical in clinical areas. Also, if you searching for a college to study like NM and GNM, RK in one of the best college to choose. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Kamli Pandey. I am a student of GNM third year. It's be an honor and my privilege to be here in RK School of Nursing. Here we have very supporting staff who help us to learn with their grateful knowledge. They have our teachers are very well natured and they guide us, keeps us motivated. If you are there in RK School of Nursing, then you are at the right place and in right hands. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is CM Patel. I am a student GNM second year in RK School of Nursing. It has been a wonderful experience to be here in RK School of Nursing. We have a peaceful and good learning environment, and for that we have library where we can read and learn for multiple books and of choice. It's very spacious and had adequate seats. If you have the hunger for knowledge, then you are at the right place. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Aman Singh, student of GNM second year. Here in RK School of Nursing, we get the chance to take part in extracurricular events like face painting, poster making, quiz competition, mehndi competition, and debate and other competition to learn and polish our skill. If you made the choice to be here, then you are at the right place. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Komal Singh, student of NM second year. It's been a privilege for me to be the student of RK School of Nursing. Here, along with the lecture, we get to learn in the labs by practicing the procedure. We have fully equipped labs like nutrition, fundamental, anatomy, community, MCH and etc. So, if you are planning to be here, RK School of Nursing, you made the right choice. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Anjesh Yadav, student of GNM second year. My college RK School of Nursing is best college in Prayagraj. We have good education and transport facility there along with the studies. Sports are also conducted for physical and mental fitness of the students. We also get the chance to participate in various health days like World Tuberculosis Day, World Cancer Day and many others. Thank you.
एक सेल्स का एब्नॉर्मल मास होता है जो कि एब्नॉर्मली ग्रो करते हैं और डिवाइड होते हैं और वो डेड नहीं करते जब उन्हें डेड हो जाना चाहिए. Tumors can be cancerous, malignant or not cancerous benign and they can start in any of the cells in the body. Tumors टू होते हैं या तो वो benign हो सकते हैं या तो malignant हो सकते हैं और वो हमारी बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट में फॉर्म कर सकते हैं. Types of tumor. In these tumors, the cells are not yet cancerous, but they can potentially become malignant. इस स्टेज में हमारे जो भी ट्यूमर होते हैं वो कैंसरस नहीं होते हैं, बट टाइम के साथ ये मैलिग्नेंट कैंसर में बदल सकते हैं, जो कि हमारा कैंसरस सेल होता है. मेडिकल एंड सर्जिकल मैनेजमेंट. Medical and surgical management. Your treatment depends on where your cancer is, how big it is, where it has spread, and your general health. ये हम ट्रीटमेंट हमारे कैंसर के पोजीशन, साइज और ये बॉडी पार्ट्स में कहाँ है और हमारे जनरल हेल्थ को रखते हुए हम ट्रीटमेंट को प्रोवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट कीमोथेरेपी, जिसमें कि हम मेडिसिन का यूज करके ट्रीट करते हैं. सर्जरी फॉर कैंसर, इसमें हम कैंसर को रिमूव करने के लिए सर्जरी को प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. अदर ट्रीटमेंट में हम देख सकते हैं लेजर ट्रीटमेंट, फोटोडायनामिक थेरेपी एंड क्रायोथेरेपी. थैंक यू क्लास. am the nursing tutor of RK School of Nursing. I have been teaching here since 1 year. I am very thankful to this college that I got a chance to teach here. I have got lots of experience from this college. RK School of Nursing is one of the best college for students, those who are want to do nursing courses like GNM, ANM. As a teacher, we will try our best to give proper classes, lab demonstration and all types of teaching facility for the students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shivani Singh, nursing tutor of RK School of Nursing. This college is not just a place of learning but also a community to diverse individuals who share a common passion for knowledge, growth and innovation. It is a place that fosters creativity, critical thinking and collaboration and prepare students for challenges of the real world. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Rami Srivas, Senior Nursing Tutor from RK School of Nursing. I am graduate from RDVD University from Jabalpur and my working experience RK School of Nursing in total 3 years. So welcome to RK School of Nursing. Why for others? It is time to get serious about their career and study truly for bright future.